channel. My name is Debbie. I lost count of what week it is, but it's our anniversary yesterday, me and my husband. So, for today's episode of the quarantine cooking, medyo socially naman ang lulutuin natin. So, we're gonna make a Maxi-style fried chicken, a steak, and a New York cheesecake. So, if you wanna know how we did all of this, please keep on watching. We're gonna start off with a clean, whole chicken. Ganda niya, di ba? So, aasinan mo lang yung balat niya, pati yung mga sulok-sulok niya, kasama mo din. And then, after nun, pepper naman, ganun din, yung mga sulok-sulok niya, spread out mo ng mabuti. And then, tanglad or lemongrass, babalikin mo siya para ma-release niya yung flavor niya. And then, yung nabalik mo na, nabukol mo na lemongrass, isusuot mo dun sa loob ng chicken. And then, after that, mag-steam ka naman sa tubig, lagay ka ng onion, and then garlic, and then bay leaves, tapos konting lemongrass or yung tanglad. And then, season it with yung pamintang buo, tapos salt also, and then hintayin mo siyang kumulo. Pag kumulo na, lalagay mo na yung tinrep mo na chicken. So, isi-steam mo lang siya, hindi mo siya isasama dun sa water. So, pag na-steam mo na siya for I think an hour, isi-steam. So, hahanguin mo na siya, and then after that, yung skin nung chicken, pag na-cool down na siya, syempre, papatisan mo all around. At yung mga sulok-sulok. And then, i-deep fry mo na siya. So, kung gusto nyo medyo makatipid sa oil, half lang ng pan, tapos balik ka rin lang yung chicken. I-fry mo na siya ng ganyan. Ganda-ganda na pagkaka-fry niya. And then, pabalik na rin mo na siya pag luto na yung isang style. After that, hahanguin mo na yung chicken. Pero, there's a catch. I-double fry natin siya para mas crispy yung balat mo. So, mag-cool down ng konti yung chicken. After that, i-double fry. Second fry. Tapos, voila! Ang ganda na ng ating chicken. So, see, pag binuksan. Boom! Ganda. And then, gawa ka na lang ng sausawan mo na Japan, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce. So, steak. Itong steak na bigyan namin sa Landers nung ilang weeks ago pa to, matagal na to eh. So, i-season mo lang siya ng pepper, and then buo ka palibot yung steak. And then after that, salt naman, and then rosemary. So, yun lang. And then sa cast iron pan, olive oil. And then, pag medyo mainit na siya, lalagyan na ng butter. And then after, lalagay mo na yung steak. And then, importante na orasan mo siya. Midway, lagay ka ng buong butter. And then, after that, pwede mo na siyang balik ka rin. After 2 minutes ata, I think, or 3. Depende yun sa steak na nabili nyo kung may kinds yun. So, kayo, tansyahin nyo na lang. Depende na sa luto kung anong gusto nyo. And then, lagay kayo ng garlic. And then, yung tawag dun hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Kasi parang ipapaligo mo yung butter and egg sa ibabaw ng steak. And then, you're done. I-rest mo muna yung steak before mo hiwain. And then, gusto niya lagyan ng egg sa ibabaw kasi low carb daw. So, cheesecake, prepare mo lang yung ingredients mo. For the New York style na cheesecake, for 2 cups ng grey ham, 1/4 cup ng melted butter. Tapos haluin mo lang siya, and then i-shape mo, i-mold mo dun sa pan na ganito pa, using a spring pan here. Tapos after nun, kung naseta na sa shape niya, i-ref mo na para tumigas ulit yung butter. So after that, doon na tayo sa na mismong cheesecake. Sa una, magbibit ka ng bar ng cheesecake. Dito, ang ginamit ko yung Philadelphia na cheesecake kasi yun yung okay na brand. So, I'm just gonna put all the measurements down below in the description box para kung gusto nyo i-try. So, yung cream cheese, i-beat nyo lang siya until soft na siya. And then, after nun, pag maganda na yung consistency niya, pag yung soft consistency na siya, pwede nyo nang i-add yung sugar. So, white sugar ang ginamit natin dito. And then, pag aka-add mo ng sugar, pwede mo na i-add yung condensed milk. After that, i-beat mo ulit, just enough to combine the cream cheese and the sugar and the condensed milk together. Then, after that, you can add the eggs one at a time. And then, you can add your all-purpose cream. Tapos, yung vanilla. And then, mix again. And then, you can add your flour. Sifted flour, dapat. Then, after adding the sifted flour, you can mix it again. We will add the lemon juice. We're gonna mix it again. So, yung consistency niya, tignan nyo na lang dito sa video. Dapat ganito yung consistency niya before yung masabi na okay. When you're done, kunin nyo na ulit yung pan nyo and then buhos nyo na siya sa crust. So, wag until the brim kasi mag-leave tayo ng space kasi baka mag-rise to ng konti. Pero konti lang naman, hindi super. Pag na-fill up mo na yung pan, mag-additional pan ka kasi mag-bain marie method tayo. Yung pan na paglulutuan mo, ilalagyan mo siya ng water. At yung pan mo, yung spring pan mo, balutin mo ng foil. And then, tsaka mo siya ilagay sa pan with water. Preheat your pan to 170 degree. And then, salang mo yung cheesecake mo. Yung ginawa ko yung baba lang yung may heat. Cook mo siya for 1 hour. Make sure hindi matutuyo yung tubig. It does, dagdagan nyo. And then, after 1 hour, cook it for another 10 minutes with lowering the heat to 150. After that, do the toothpick test and then tignan nyo kung may sasama pa sa toothpick. Kung wala na, okay na yun. But you have to leave the pan inside the oven for another 10 to 20 minutes more without any heat na. So, yung residual heat na lang yung aasahan mo doon. And then, you're done. See? Masyadong sobrang ganda ng consistency nung cheese. And then, pag hinigma mo siya, ang ganda. Starbucks. Hindi nakakailangan siya. So, yun. If you like this video, you can make your own Max's chicken, steak, or New York cheesecake. It's up to you. If you try to do it yourself, please take a picture, upload it on Instagram, and tag me at @bbvillanueva. That's it for today's episode of Quarantine Cooking. Hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, hit the bell button beside it to be notified for new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!